Good morning, children. Today, in this video tutorial, I'm going to make a poster and use the mail merge on it. To make a poster, we need some pictures. You can insert picture from clip art or some files. You can download pictures from the net also. But here I'm going to make pictures in MS Paint, and that picture I will use in this poster. I type paint here and paint window will open. I have created some picture. Now I will select the first picture. Click on select, cover this drawing. Make it sure transparent selection always be checked. Now click on copy and maximize MS Word. Click on paste. Now once you will click on the picture, you will get format menu. You will get the wrap text option. Click on it and then click on type. Now you can move this picture anywhere on this page. Now I'm going to remove the background from here. For this, I click on remove background. Keep changes. This way you can remove the background. Now I go to insert, click on shapes and take the clouds. Make two clouds here. Now change the colors. If you don't want the outline, you can remove the outline from here. But here I will take. Now next again go to paint. Then click on select. Cover half portion of the rainbow. Then the same process, copy. Go to MS Word. Now click on paste. Same process, click on format menu, then click on remove background. Then wrap text and type. Good. After that, we go to insert again and shape. We will take a shape to write something. For this, you click the right button of your mouse. Then you will get the option add text. Increase the size. You can change the font of this text. So I have taken this one. Change the color of the shape. For this, again go to format, click on shape fill and take the color. I don't want the outline. For this, click on shape outline and click on no outline. Go to insert, click on shapes, take a text box to type the message here. Okay, now the last step, we want to put some border around this page. Go to page layout, click on page border. Now choose a border from the art. I want to send this poster to many of my friends. For this, I typed to here, then click on the mailings, then start mail merge, step by step mail merge wizard. Now the first step, move to the next one, then Select recipient, move to the next one, click on type a new list, then click on create. You make a new entries, delete those fields which we don't want. Add the records in the fields. Click on new entry. Click on OK. Now give the name to your list. All the records are coming in this screen. Now click on OK. Then next step, write your letter. We have written. Now add the fields here. Then move to preview your letter. We can see the records here. Now the final step, finish and merge. Edit individual documents. You will see 3 records are coming on individual pages. This way you can create mail merge. I hope you will practice at your home. Till then, bye.